Hey guys, Steven here. Today we're going to be installing some LED fog lights in my 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. Alright, so these are the bulbs that we're going to be putting in, these Neo Evos. More light, less energy, more lifespan, all that good stuff. So these are the 9006 HB4. I will put a link to these in the description below. These are not CAN bus compatible, but they don't throw code in these trucks. So here are the bulbs. You can see up front, it's got their cool little emblem that will show from the front of the housing. So one more thing I want to mention real quick before we jump under there to put these in is that these bulbs, you'll see this little screw right here. They do have that screw. You can take it out and spin this so that you get your bulb in the right direction, because you want them to be like this. You want them to be where the two sides are facing to the side, the two LED sides. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is take out the original bulbs. So just pop that clip off, turn to the left, and pull this one. All right, it's almost impossible for me to video it and do it at the same time, but I just plugged the new one in. I got it put in, checked, make sure our positioning was right, so we have the right beam pattern of the LEDs facing to the side. So you just have to go around front and check that. You'll see it does have a fan on this one. It is sticking out the back here. It's not a problem. It's fairly well protected right here. And these are, I can't remember, IP67 or IP68 waterproof. So the only other thing that I'm going to do here, I mean, it's plug and play. You can just leave it like that, but I'm going to put a zip tie through the casing here around that, just so the plug is held tight and doesn't rattle around or anything. So I'm going to do that right quick and then I'll show you. All right, so there we go. On the little light on it so you can see here, but there's the zip tie. Just kind of go around the center point of that plug and tie it tight, so just so it doesn't rattle around or anything. All right, so here we are on the driver's side. There's a little bit more room, but once again, just pop that plug off, twist out to the left, lefty-loosey. Carefully pull it out here, so we're going to save it. And then I'll pop the new one in and show you when I'm done. All right, so we got that one plugged in and zip tied right there. So just went around this bracketing of the fog light, got it in, made sure that it was in the right orientation. So now let's go cut them on and see what they look like. All right, and here's what they look like. Nice bright white. It kind of matched those headlights we put in. There's that one. Here's that one. And you can actually hear the fan running. See our cool little red front right there. Get you under here real quick. So you can hear the little fan running, but yeah, they look a lot better. They're a lot nicer at night. All right, guys, hope you liked this video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the page, and we'll see you next time.